Hi everyone, welcome to Cryptalk. Today I'm looking at what's been happening in the crypto market over the last week and any news that has been affecting the industry. So unfortunately, Bitcoin did fail to break through that $11,000 mark only a couple of days ago, and it is right back down into the four-figure range. It's a real shame because we saw some great solid consistency and growth in the second quarter of this year. And now we're right back into that volatile, choppy market. So it's a shame that the consistency hasn't carried through into the third quarter. Today, I'm talking about the continued trade wars between the US and China, yesterday's court hearing against Bitfinex and Tether. We're also looking at Gemini's recent expansion and the exciting new partnership between IBM, Travelport, and BCD Travel. So I don't know if you guys saw, but about 3 weeks ago now, Trump tweeted out about the 1st of September deadline on those tariffs, and the market really did instantly gain from his tweet. So right after it was posted, Bitcoin and all the major alts surged up, and of course the stock market took a bit of a hit that day. Unfortunately, those gains have already been reversed as that deadline has now been extended out until December. And right after that one was announced, all the coins dropped and stock market was up again that day. So it's really interesting to see how his tweets are affecting the market in such a major way. And particularly now that we are within that 12-month period of campaigning into the 2020 election. So it's going to be pretty interesting to watch this space over the next 12 months on the campaign trail and just see how all the events of the campaigning are going to affect the market. Yesterday, the court ruled against the Bitfinex case, and they've given a 90-day extension for the ongoing investigation into the trading platform. So Bitfinex has been accused of covering an $850 million loss, and that's of client and corporate funds, and that they have been accused of covering that up with Tether cash reserves. So that will take us out to November now, where the case will resume, and it's certainly going to be interesting to see the final ruling. So hopefully there are no more extensions and the investigation is thorough enough to get a fair ruling. And just this morning, Gemini announced their plans to expand into Australia. So that's really exciting. We're now able to buy and sell 5 coins through the trading platform here. So they will include Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Zcash. The Gemini stablecoin will not be available to purchase. And I actually downloaded the app this morning on my phone. It was really easy, pretty quick to download and set up. The KYC process was very straightforward. And so I encourage all the Aussies out there to download that app and see how competitive Gemini are being with their introductory offers. It's definitely worth checking out. So we're now the 6th country that Gemini have expanded into. Obviously, they're based in the States and they're now operational in Canada, the UK, Singapore, South Korea, Hong Kong, and now obviously Australia as well. And finally, I wanted to talk about Travelport's partnership with IBM and BCD Travel. So they're jointly developing a blockchain platform, and that's to streamline hotel bookings and commission owed to third-party booking websites. So it's really exciting to just see another industry that is embracing both blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. Travelport are aiming to put the life cycle of a booking on the blockchain and to just drive transparency, trust, and obviously increase their bookings as well. So leaders in the hotel and travel industry are recognizing that cryptocurrencies are becoming more popular and that the trend is only growing as well, and that they really do need to embrace it. So they're gradually turning to blockchain technology. And also you might have seen recently that Etihad Airways have done the same. So they partnered with Winding Tree and they're currently exploring how they can integrate blockchain technology into their daily operations as well. So it's great to see another industry taking blockchain and cryptocurrency on board. And I really do think it's taking most industry worldwide by storm. So it's really cool to see that advance. So some positive news there to finish with. Thank you guys again for watching today. I hope you've subscribed to our channel, and please do make sure you're sharing it with anybody who might find the content useful. Thanks very much, guys. Have a great week.